Welcome to my honest review of Kirby, a powerful website builder that has gained attention for its flexibility and ease of use. Whether you're creating a personal blog, portfolio, or a full-scale website, Kirby offers an intuitive platform for building and managing websites. The first thing you'll notice about Kirby is its minimalist approach. Unlike many website builders that come with a pre-configured set of themes and plugins, Kirby is a flat-file CMS, meaning that it doesn't rely on a database. This leads to faster loading times and more control over the website structure. When you first visit Kirby's website, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The platform offers clear documentation and a wide range of templates, making it a great option for both beginners and advanced users. Kirby lets you design your website exactly how you want it, with no restrictions on structure or layout. You can either start from scratch or use one of their starter kits, which provide a basic framework that you can build on. One of the standout features of Kirby is its flexibility. Unlike more traditional website builders, Kirby doesn't lock you into any rigid templates or configurations. This means you have full control over your website's design and content. It's a fantastic option if you're a developer or designer looking for a website builder that lets you customize every aspect of your site. At the same time, Kirby's straightforward interface makes it accessible for beginners who don't have a lot of coding experience. In terms of usability, Kirby's dashboard is intuitive and simple. It allows you to easily manage pages, posts, and content. You can add and edit pages without any hassle, and the media library is easy to navigate, allowing you to upload and organize your content with ease. What's more, Kirby allows you to edit your site offline, making it convenient to work on your website from anywhere without needing an internet connection. Many useful links can be found in the description below after watching this video, including resources that can help you enhance your website further. Kirby also offers extensive documentation and support, which is essential for both new users and experienced developers. The community around Kirby is highly active, so if you ever run into issues or need help, there are plenty of forums and tutorials to guide you. Additionally, Kirby supports multiple languages, so it's a great option if you're building a site for a global audience. One thing to note is that while Kirby is a paid CMS, the pricing is quite reasonable, considering the level of control and customization it offers. There's a one-time fee for the core Kirby system, but you get lifetime updates, which is a great value for the money. Overall, if you're looking for a lightweight, flexible, and highly customizable website builder, Kirby is a great choice. If you like this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials.